Hello friends, today we will discuss MCQs of language across the curriculum important for B.Ed and CTET both. So question number 1 is language across the curriculum is for teaching only grammar, B using language for all subjects, C studying English only, D ignoring language in science. Answer is B, that using language for all subjects. So language is the medium to learn every subject, science, math, social science, etc., not just language subject. So a student uses English to read science chapter on photosynthesis and explain it in their own words. Question number 2, reading is a process of passive copying, B active meaning making, C memorizing words, D only pronouncing. Answer is B, that is active meaning making. Reading is an active mental process of understanding, connecting, and constructing meaning. For example, while reading a history text, the students connect industrial revolution with prior knowledge of machines. Question number 3, the top-down approach begins with A, letters, B, whole text, C, phonemes, D, alphabets. Answer is B, that is whole text. The top-down model starts with overall meaning and then moves to detail like words or letters. For example, teacher gives a story first, then discusses grammar or words inside it. Question number 4, bottom-up reading starts with A, sentences, B, whole text, C, sounds, letters, D, paragraphs. Answer is C, sounds and letters. This method begins from small units like letters, phonemes, and then builds up meaning step by step. For example, child learns CAT before understanding cat. Question number 5, writing is the dash representation of a speech sound. A, graphical, B, phonetic, C, oral, D, abstract. Answer is graphical. Written symbols graphically represent the sounds of speech. The sound M is represented by the letter M. Question number 6, authentic material is dash A, exam guide, B, real life text, C, grammar worksheet, D, textbook. Answer is B, real life text. Authentic materials are real world text not created just for classrooms, using a newspaper article to teach comprehension. Question number 7, which is not authentic material? A, job ad, B, textbook passage, C, song lyrics, D, road sign. Answer is B, that is textbook passage. Textbooks are prepared for teaching, not for real life communication. A road sign stop is authentic. A comprehension passage in textbook is not. Question number 8. In language learning, scaffolding means A, giving full answer, B, step-by-step support, C, ignoring errors, D, memorization. Answer is B, that is step-by-step support. Teacher supports learning step-by-step and reduces help as students gain independence. For example, teacher first gives hints for essay writing, later students write on their own. Question number 9, which skill is most used across the curriculum? A, singing, B, language communication, C, drawing, D, physical activity. Answer is B, language communication. Every subject requires reading, writing, speaking, and listening. For example, solving a math word problem requires reading and understanding language. Question number 10, code switching is dash. A, changing topic, mixing two languages in use, C, translating word by word, D, speaking fast. Answer is mixing two languages in use. It is the practice of shifting between languages in communication. For example, it is very important. Question number 11, interactive model of reading combines A, writing and speaking, B, bottom up and top down, C, copying and memorizing, D, listening and drawing. Answer is B, bottom up and top down. It balances top down, that is background knowledge, and bottom up, decoding text. Example, student guesses meaning from context and decodes unfamiliar words. Question number 12. A paragraph on global warming is in English using science facts shows A memorization, B language across curriculum, C only science teaching, D grammar drill. Answer is B, that is language across the curriculum. Knowledge of science is applied to language writing. Students use a geography content to write an English essay. Question number 13. In reading, prior knowledge helps in A. Guessing meaning, B. Rote learning, C. Copying sentences, ignoring content. Answer is A. Guessing meanings. So readers use background knowledge to make predictions and understand better. For example, knowing about monsoon helps to interpret a poem on rain. Question number 14. Classroom discussion helps. A. Silence, B. Communication skills, C. Rote learning, D. Translation only. Answer is B, that is communication skills. Discussion encourages speaking, listening, and critical thinking. For example, group debate on plastic ban improves vocabulary and expression. Question number 15. Which is a language skill? A. Listening, B. Speaking, C. Reading, D. Writing. There is E option also, all. Answer is E, all. The 4 language skills together build communication competence: listening to a lecture, speaking in discussion, reading a text, writing notes. Question number 16. Critical reading encourages a blind memorization, B. Questioning and analysis, C. Copying test, and D. Silence. So answer is B, that is questioning and analysis. The students evaluate, compare, and analyze ideas while reading, questioning whether a news article is biased. Question number 17. Group work in language across the curriculum promotes A. Isolation, collaboration, C. Competition, and D. Copying. Answer is B, that is collaboration. Students learn to share ideas and improve expressions. For example, group project writing a report on local festivals. Question number 18. Vocabulary is best developed through dictionary only, B. Contextual use, C. Memorization, and D. Translation. Answer is B. Contextual use. Contextual learning helps retention and practical use. Learning evaporation from a science experiment instead of just memorizing. Question number 19. Which subject depends most on language? A. Science, math, B. Math, C. Social studies, D. All subjects. Answer is all subjects. Every subject requires understanding, reading, and communication. Math needs word problems, science needs reports, history needs essays. Question number 20. The purpose of note making is A. Copying test, B. Summarizing ideas, C. Writing essays, D. Decoration. Answer is B. Summarizing ideas. It helps to organize information in short form. For example, making bullet points on a long lecture about climate. Question number 21. Which is an example of language skill integration? Reading a passage and discussing it. B. Only writing later. C. Only listening to teacher. D. Memorization. Answer is A. Reading a passage and discussing it. Integration combines reading, speaking, listening together. Reading a story, then telling in group discussion. Question number 22. Process writing means 1A. One-time final draft, B. Drafting, revising, editing, C. Copying test, D. Reading aloud. Answer is B, that is drafting, revising, and editing. Writing process with steps, not just final product. Writing an essay, revising, correcting errors, and then comes the final version. Question number 23. The role of a teacher in a language across curriculum is A. Sole knowledge giver, B. Facilitator and guide, C. Dictator, D. Translator. Answer is B, that is facilitator and guide. So teacher's role is of facilitator and guide always. Teacher guides and supports and motivates learners. Teacher helps students to discuss a science topic in English instead of lecturing only. Question number 24. Which skill helps learning math words problem? A. Drawing, B. Language comprehension, C. Rote learning, D. Silence. Answer is B, that is language comprehension. Understanding the language of the problem is key to solving, interpreting more than difference between in math problems. Question number 25. Classroom language should be a complex, be clear and simple. C. Only textbook based. D. Rigid. Answer is B. That is clear and simple. Simple and clear language supports better comprehension. Instead of saying ascertain the solution, teachers say find the answer. That's all. Thank you.